There is only two components in stud, so basically pin and stud body. But there is huge amount of information or small details behind of those.
Tikka Spikes is the leading stud manufacturer in the world, with the longest history in stud manufacturing. Its leading know-how in stud design and hard metal materials results in continuous improvements and new, innovative solutions. Tikka Spikes works closely hand in hand with tyre manufacturers to meet their various and often versatile needs.
There is no one perfect stud that fits all solutions, so finding the correct combination between specific tyres and specific studs is really the way to optimize the performance.
Customer's vision is our main driver when starting new R&D project, because some customers, they are targeting from the high brand tires, others are focusing a little bit lower segments. Are they focusing on good ice performance, good rolling resistance, low noise levels and things like that?
Tikka Spike studs are specifically designed to set requirements of each tyre manufacturer. Tikka Spike's development experts work close with customers to choose the best features for each tyre type, from passenger cars to heavy transportation.
The conditions change quite often and quite dramatically, and we have to develop a tyre and stud combination that works right the way throughout the life of the tyre. And that's quite a difficult thing to achieve because everything is a balance.
Development process of the new stud is kind of an iteration process. First we make, let's say, first samples for the customers. They make some winter performance testing, and based on the results we improve, for example, pin design, some design of the body itself, or maybe perhaps pin protrusion could be something different than what was in the first round.
Every winter, a fleet of professional drivers test the latest stud innovations in real driving situations in highly demanding Nordic winter conditions. During a field test cycle, each prototype stud is measured every 5,000 kilometers. As the winter in Finland is so long, Tikka Spikes is able to get important data from millions of test kilometers every season. The stud configuration of a prototype tyre is further optimized in an overrun test, a testing method developed specifically to reduce the road wear factor of winter tyres.
Based on the prototypes, we can finalize the stud design, and we can start the mass production already with those test tools, and at the same time we can produce the real production tools, so we can be really fast already in that phase.
Tikka Spikes is renowned for its flexibility and efficiency. Also, quality is of most importance to the company. This starts from right material choices.
Here in Tikka Spikes we have this whole R&D chain in-house, so we have a huge amount of know-how related to hard metals. I think in the future we will see different kind of materials used in the studs itself. We are really fast to making tools, tool changes. We are flexible. So I think this is the key reason why customers should choose Tikka Spikes as a partner for R&D projects.
Tikka Spikes takes continuous effort to develop more secure, durable and environmentally friendly stud solutions. As an example, reducing the stud weight to 1/3 alone reduces the road wear factor by over 70%.
The easy thinking is that stud has already developed, but it's not true. Every day we have new challenge. We can always do better studded tire.